Have you ever wondered how people decide between two different things they like? Let us break down the indifference curve. At its core, this concept is about mapping out what makes a consumer equally happy across different combinations of goods. An indifference curve shows all the combinations of two goods that give a person the exact same level of satisfaction. These curves follow specific rules that help economists understand how trade-offs work when a consumer's budget is limited. While the curve maps your desires, the budget line defines your reality. They meet to show optimal choice. Higher lines represent higher satisfaction. A consumer always prefers to be on a curve further from the origin. Remember that every step along the curve represents a trade-off. You give up some of one good to get more of another. Indifference curves help visualize rational choice. Thank you for watching and follow for more financial and economic basics.